के महापुरुषों में एक नाम जो आता है हमें गर्व कराता है। श्रद्धेय स्वामी विवेकानंद की है, इतिहास बताता है जो सारे जग में भारत की पहचान कराता है, विद्वान कहता है। श्रद्धेय स्वामी विवेकानंद की अमर ये गाथा है, इतिहास बताता है। विवेकानंद जी महान, जाने है सारा जहां। विवेकानंद जी महान, जाने है सारा जहां। माता श्रीमती भुवनेश्वरी देवी की प्रिय संतान, विश्वनाथ जी पिता ने पाया प्रभु का ये वरदान। कलकत्ता में 12 जनवरी करने आया जग की शान। नाम नरेंद्र नाथ रखा था समझ के एक नादान, वीरेश्वरा भी पिता श्री ने रखा इनका नाम। पिता अटॉर्नी थे और माता गृह पूजा में रत, इनको कंठस्थ रामायण गीता और महाभारत। पिता की मृत्यु से इनके फिर बिगड़े थे हालात, फाके में भी गुजरे इनके थे कुछ दिन और रात। ज्ञान ध्यान में बचपन से ही मन रम जाता है, प्रभु का हो जाता है। श्रद्धेय स्वामी विवेकानंद की अमर ये गाथा है, हाँ अमर ये गाथा है। विवेकानंद जी महान है, सृष्टि में उनका शान। विवेकानंद जी महान, जाने है सारा जहां। दिमाग था बालक का यह रहती जिज्ञासा, स्मरण करने की शक्ति थी और सीखने की आशा। प्रकृति से इन्हें प्रेम घना था, जनमानस से प्यार। ब्रह्म समाज के प्रति हो गया इनका मन विचार। सन्यासियों के प्रति था इनका बचपन से ही मान, देने में कभी देर न करते ये घर का सम्मान। गौतम बुद्ध भी इनके अक्सर सपनों में आते, अपने प्रिय को छोड़ जगत ये अक्सर बुलाते। कहते हैं भगवान भी इनको दर्शन थे देते, योग साधना और वेदांतों में ये रमे रहते। राम कृष्ण परमहंस का एक दिन संग ये पाता है, उनका हो जाता है। श्रद्धेय स्वामी विवेकानंद की अमर ये गाथा है, हाँ अमर ये गाथा है। विवेकानंद जी महान है, जग में ऊंची शान। विवेकानंद जी महान, जाने है सारा जहां। भेष को धारण करने में आया आनंद, संतों की संगत में एक दिन बने विवेकानंद। सन्यासी का एक वस्त्र था, ना रुपया पैसा, देश का कोना कोना घूमा, जन जन को देखा। देख के हालत महिलाओं की हृदय हुआ द्रवित, छुआ छात से ग्रसित जनों से मन हुआ व्यथित। जागृत करने युवाओं को मन में था ठाना, योग पुरुष ये बुनने निकला नया ताना बाना। अपनी संस्था कल्चर का प्रचार किया जम के, जाके शिकागो में भारत का मान किया जम के। अपने भीतर ही होता है ज्ञान बताता है, मन तमश मिटाता है। श्रद्धेय स्वामी विवेकानंद की अमर ये गाथा है, इतिहास बताता है। विवेकानंद जी महान, जाने है सारा जहान। विवेकानंद जी महान, जाने है सारा जहान। जैसा सोचोगे पाओगे, खुद पे करो विश्वास। सदा कर्म कर मिलने की तू मन में रखना आस। नेक चरित्र हो उनके जैसा नहीं कोई धनवान। सुख और दुख है महान शिक्षक, इनसे पाना ज्ञान। बांटने का तुम नियम बनाओ, दूजे की सोचो। अपने इरादे पक्के रखो ना तुम कभी कहो। साहस विनम्र कर्मशील बनो, शंका नहीं पालो। अपने इरादे पक्के रखो, जो चाहे पालो। ऐसे विचारों वाले अपनी मातृभूमि की शान। 39 की उम्र में एक दिन त्याग चले ये प्राण। खुशबू तिवारी प्रेम श्रद्धा से टेके माथा है, और गाए गाथा है श्रद्धेय स्वामी विवेकानंद की।
Quote, education is not the amount of information that is put into your brain and runs out there, undigested all your life. We must have life building. Jila Parishad member, Harinagar constituency, we are heartily honored on this presence here today. I also welcome all the members of PTA, SMC, Alpha Vidyalaya to give their presence and make the evening glorious. I also welcome all the esteemed parents who have graced the occasion with their presence. Your support and encouragement are invaluable to us, and we are delighted to share this special day with you. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Every great achievement is done slowly by Swami Vivekananda. Namaskar to all. Once again I welcome to Honorable Chief Guest, respected Guest of Honor, PRI member, Principal, parents, teachers, non-teaching staffs and my dear student. Today we are going to celebrate Swami Vivekananda Jayanti. Now I am presenting a school's brief report for the year 2024-25. Vivekananda Kendra Jila Parishad Vidyalaya Basantipur is an English medium secondary school and established in the year 2003 with 52 numbers of students from KG1 to class 3rd. The school is affiliated to CBSE regular. An extension of recognition is yet to be given by the UT administration. We have applied for the same in the month of December 2023. Our school was awarded as the best secondary school in rural area in the year 2021. The school reopened for the current session 2024-25 from KG2 to class 10 on 1st April 2024. We have started KG1 from 4th April 2024 with Vidya Aram Puja. The total number of students enrolled in the session 2024-25 are 317. We have got 57 new admission in the current academic session and TC issued were 50. Now in our Vidyalaya we have 18 teaching staff and 5 non-teaching staff. Class tests were conducted regularly in our Vidyalaya. The 9th batch of class 10th students appeared for CBSE examination 2024. There were 21 students of class 10 who were appeared for the examination. We have recorded 100% result in the last session of CBSE class 10. We are presenting the 10th batch of class 10th student for the CBSE exam this session 2024-25. Teachers acknowledge the student to pursue excellent mark in the examination and also motivate them to work hard. We are putting our best effort to impart nationality education to our children. All five aspects of personality development, namely physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and intellectual, are being taken care. We have conducted a personality development camp for our student of class 6th and 7th. Befitting to the Swachhta Bharat Abhiyan, our school is neat and clean and also kept neat and clean. Throughout the year, we have celebrated the following festival in our Vidyalaya, like Guru Purnima, Raksha Bandhan, Independence Day, Janmashtami, Teachers Day, Ganesh Chaturthi, Universal Brotherhood Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Sadhana Divas, Gita Jayanti, and Samad Bharat Parv from 25th December to 12th January. Our school achievement of the year. One student of our school, namely Preeti Das of class 10, has been selected and played for under 16 national level football tournament which was held in Himachal Pradesh. The best Siddhar of class 9th has passed the NMMES scholarship exam. 8 students have selected for JNV this year, 6 students from class 5th and 2 students from class 9th. Kalachand Bepari and family organize KCB award ceremony every year in Gram Panchayat level, Nimbudera. Our school student also achieved award in that. Also, our school student received many prizes in the competition organized by Forest Department, Medical Department, Education Department, etc. D. Shrestha Vijay of class 8 participated in the chess championship tournament organized by Andaman and Nicobar Chess Association as stood in 5th position. Also, he participated in 23rd state school game as a contestant from Rangat zone for chess competition and won the first position. In the upcoming days, we are hoping that our children will receive many awards like this. And also, we have a great hope that at least 8 students from class 10 will score above 90% in the upcoming CBSE exam. At last, Swamiji, great thought. All powers is within you. You can do anything and everything. By Swami Vivekananda. Jai Hind.
The divine soul of our motherland, Bharat Mata. I am requesting all the parents who are present over here to please stand in your respective places for Bharat Mata Aarti.
भारत माता की जगत की भाग्य विधाता की आरती भारत माता की जगत की भाग्य विधाता की मुकुट सम हिमगिरिवर सोहे सोहे चरण को रत्नाकर धोए धोए देवता कण कण में छाए
welcome back to our esteemed institution, Mr. Dev Bawali, a former student of our first class 10 batch who is currently pursuing his higher education in law. He will now grace us with their presence and share profound insight on the life and teaching of Swami
Good evening,
Vivekananda.
everyone. It feels good to be back in the school where I once studied. So, this place means a lot to me. Also, thank you, Headmaster Sir, Principal, students, for sharing this stage among you peoples. I'll be sharing few of my thoughts on this Vivekananda Jayanti, also known by the Youth Day, National Youth Day. So Swami Vivekananda was not just a monk, he was a thinker who inspired millions to see the greatness among themselves. He wasn't just about religions, rituals or teachings. At Chicago at the year 1893, when he said, "Sisters and brothers of America." He didn't just greet the audience, he reminded everyone that we all are equal and no matter what, we all come from same place. He believed that religion wasn't just about following rules, but about realizing the divine power that is present within ourselves. He said, the goal of mankind is not to become perfect in any particular religion, but to become perfect in the realization of the self. For him, spirituality was about inner growth, not outer appearance. He is best known for his words, "Arise, awake, and stop till the goal is reached." So these weren't just words, they were all these words can call everyone to work hard, to never give up, and to believe in their abilities. So in a world where there are divisions between peoples, his message of unity, love and understanding still holds strong. He taught us that no matter where we come from or what religions we follow, we are all connected and we should treat each other equally with respect and compassion. So at the end, I would like to conclude my speech by saying a little quote said by Swami Vivekananda ji, that take risk in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Thank you. Please welcome back your host.
ভুলিও না হে ভারত, এই পরানুবাদ, পরানুকরণ, পরামুখপেক্ষা, এই দোষসুলভ দুর্বলতা, এই ঘৃণিত জঘন্য নিষ্ঠুরতা, এইমাত্র সম্বলে তুমি উচ্চাধিকার লাভ করিবে। এই লজ্জাকর কাপুরুষতা সহায় তুমি বীরভোগ্য স্বাধীনতা লাভ করিবে। হে ভারত, ভুলিও না তোমার নারী জাতির আদর্শ সীতা, সাবিত্রী, দময়ন্তী। ভুলিও না তোমার উপাস্য উপানাথ সর্বত্যাগী শঙ্কর। ভুলিও না তোমার বিবাহ, তোমার ধন, তোমার জীবন ইন্দ্রিয় সুখের, নিজের ব্যক্তিগত সুখের জন্য নহে। ভুলিও না তুমি জন্ম হইতেই তোমার মায়ের জন্য বলি প্রদত্ত। ভুলিও না তোমার সমাজ বিরাট মহামায়ার ছায়া মাত্র। ভুলিও না নিজ জাতি মূর্খ, দরিদ্র, অজ্ঞ, মুচি, মেথর তোমার রক্ত, তোমার ভাই। হে বীর, সাহস অবলম্বন করো, সদর্পে বলো আমি ভারতবাসী, ভারতবাসী আমার ভাই। বলো মূর্খ ভারতবাসী, দরিদ্র ভারতবাসী, ব্রাহ্মণ ভারতবাসী, চাণ্ডাল ভারতবাসী আমার ভাই। তুমি কোটিমাত্র বস্ত্রাবৃত হইয়া সদর্পে ডাকিয়া বলো ভারতবাসী আমার ভাই, ভারতবাসী আমার প্রাণ। ভারতের দেবদেবী আমার ঈশ্বর, ভারতের সমাজ আমার শিশুসজ্জা, আমার যৌবনের উপবন, আমার বার্ধক্যের বারাণসী। বলো ভাই ভারতের মৃত্তিকা আমার স্বর্গ, ভারতের কল্যাণ আমার কল্যাণ। আর বলো দিনরাত হে গরিনাথ, হে জগদম্বে আমায় মনুষ্যত্ব দাও মা। আমার কাপুরুষতা দুর্বলতা দূর করো, আমায় মানুষ করো। জয় হিন্দ।
The second position goes to Disha Haldar of class 8. And the first position goes to Nandini Shikdar of class 7. Third position Naitik Majumdar of class 8. Second position Disha Haldar of class 8. And first position Nandini Shikdar of class 7th. Next for maths 9th and 10th. The third prize goes to S. Sumadi of class 9. The second prize goes to Shambhita Mandal of class 9. And the first prize go to GK Vedant Aryan of class 10. For class 9th and 10 maths, the third prize goes to S. Sumadi of class 9. The second prize goes to Shambhita Mandal of class 9. And the first position goes to GK Vedant Aryan of class 10. Moving on to the science for class 6 to 8. Second position goes to For science class 9 to 10, the third prize goes to Rajveer Mahato of class 9. The second prize goes to Bipasha Biswas of class 9. And the first prize goes to Devesh Bhakta of class 9. And the first prize goes to Devesh Bhakta of class 9. Our next is for social science class 7 to 8. Third prize goes to Sandeepa Mandal of class 7. The second position goes to Sarojit Bhakta of class 8. Next for social science class 9 to 10, the third position goes to Drishti Roy of class 9. Second position goes to Sumit Dhali of class 10. And the first position goes to Rohit Biswas of class 9. To Shravanti Haldar of class 9. Second position goes to Disha Haldar of class 10. And the first position goes to two students, Anurag Sen of class 9th and Priya Mandal of class 10th. Now for the Hindi subject, class next is for Hindi class 6 to 10. The third position goes to Prabita Roy of class 7th. The second position goes to Vaishnavi Kandulna of class 10th. And the first goes to Tamanna Now moving forward to the last but not the least, EVS of class 2 house, Saleria house and Khetrapal house. I would like to call Shampita and Arpit Ekka of class 9th. Swami Vivekananda. And the first prize goes to Anuja Mandal. Third prize goes to Riyans Datta. Second prize goes to Sweta Datta. Riyan Sarkar. Second prize goes to Sweta Datta. And first prize goes to Anuja Mandal. For KG2, third position, Riyan Khujur. Next, third position goes to Asmit De and Ishita Chakrabarti. Second position goes to Saw T.S. Sahas. And first goes to Ridhima Chauhan. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call Shri Devratma Das, sir, to give the prizes to the student. The first competition goes to Dikshita Paul. Third position goes to Akshara Bapari. Second position goes to Nidhi Roy. And first goes to Dikshita Paul. Our next competition of Proba of class 4. Third position goes to Rohan Garami. Second position goes to Jeet Haldar. And the first position goes to Ansh Mandal. Second position goes to Jeet Haldar. And first position goes to Ansh Mandal. Next Proverb competition of class 5th. Third position goes to Devraj Roy. Second position goes to Shivanshi Nayak. And first position goes to Prarthi Mandal. M. Meera. The next competition was of Swamiji Thought and its explanation of class 7th. The third position goes to next competition. Third position goes to Rahul Mandal. The next competition was of poster making on Indian culture of class 10th. The third position Mehta K. Sughadan ma'am to give away the memento to the stars. Class 1 Ahan Kharia. Class 2 Ihan Kharia. Class 3 Nayan Haldar. Class 4th Payal Bhattacharji. Class 5th Pritika Das. Class 6th Jainesh Tuti. Class 7th Rajveer Das. Madhushri, class 9th S. Sumadi, and class 10th G.K. Vedant Aryan. करने की कोशिश की, पर होनी को कौन टाल सकता था। अचानक से एक तेज आवाज हुई और पता चला कि बस रास्ते से कहीं दूर जाकर गिरी। अर्नव, जो कि मध्योत्तर अंडमान की विवेकानंद केंद्र जिला परिषद विद्यालय बसंतीपुर की एक छात्र है, जो उस बस में अपनी छोटी बहन और माँ के साथ रंगत से मायाबंदर अपनी दादी के घर घूमने जा रहा था। वह पूरी तरह से लहूलुहान था और कोशिश की। तब उन्होंने देखा 4 महिला उन्हें सुरक्षित बाहर निकाला। और धन्य हो तुम और धन्य हो तुम्हारी ममता।
In second position, Riti Mandal. In place of P. Praveen, his father will receive the award. Please, sir.
Best student, Prantik Maitra. Congratulations.
The headmaster, sir, to please give the slash and the memento to the best student of the year, Mr. Prantik Maitra.
So first of all, I would like to thank my parents, my family, my teachers, my friends, my colleagues to always support me, and I would also like to thank my headmaster sir to give this opportunity to us to become the best student of the year, and also to my succeeding batch, which is now the class 9 batch. Here is my message to you. If you become the next best student of the year, you would be chosen for a reason. Never forget why you are here and always remember your duties. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Address the gathering with your valuable words. Please, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Respected dignitaries on the dais, dear parents, teachers, well-wishers, ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls. First of all, let me extend my sincere gratitude to the school authorities and organizers for having invited me to this auspicious day and auspicious function. It gives me immense pleasure to address you all on this auspicious day. Swami Vivekananda, with his life and with his teachings, have inspired millions of students, youth and generations, and he has been instrumental in our freedom struggle historically, as well as even now he inspires millions of us. I still remember the quote of Swami Vivekananda, "Arise and awake, stop not until the goal is reached." So I used to stick this in my study room when I was preparing for UPSC, and I am very happy that now I am given an opportunity, because I was never a part of VKV school, or I have not associated with VKV institutions iske pehle. So I am very happy that I am getting this opportunity. So it is kind of my indebtedness also to Swamiji, because somewhere or the other, he and his teachings has inspired me in my journey as well. I know that this is not an occasion for a long speech because the students have already received their prizes for their excellent academic performances, and all of you are waiting for the cultural performances. There is a long list of cultural performances that are supposed to happen. So I don't think I should take much of time, but then I just have to give one thought of mine, because coming from the police department, I think Swami Vivekananda, one of his most important teachings is about inner growth. So Swami Vivekananda always have focused upon the self growth, dedication, discipline, and whatever inner world that we have to cherish and to nourish it. So this is something which I have felt, especially in the context of this islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this is one place where there is a lot of cultures assimilate together as a real melting pot example. You have so many cultures, so many traditions that have come together in the best possible manner, assimilating together, and you can see a wonderful gelling of all the cultures here. So it is not wrong to call it a mini India. So all of us, when we look at Andaman and Nicobar Islands, any of the officers who are performing the duties here, so we always see it as a mini India, जहाँ पे सारे cultures होता है, सारे त्योहारें celebrate होता है, सारे days मनाए जाते हैं. So it's a very special place to be in. So आप लोग शायद वो realize नहीं कर रहे होंगे, क्योंकि for you it is just part and parcel of life. But for us who are seeing this very special tradition of yours, मुझे तो बहुत स्पेशल फील हो जाता है कि जब आप लोगों की ये ब्रदरहुड जो स्वामी जी ने बहुत पहले ही बता दिया था, यूनिवर्सल ब्रदरहुड, इसका एक बहुत स्पेशल एग्जांपल है अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स. एंड इसके अलावा जो इनर ग्रोथ की बात मैं बता रही थी, सो इट इज़ जस्ट टू कोट दैट यहाँ पे आज के ज़माने में क्या हो रहा है कि हम ये इनर वर्ल्ड के ऊपर या इनर ग्रोथ के ऊपर ज़्यादा फोकस नहीं करते हैं. हम ज़्यादातर बाहर देखते हैं, हमारे कंपैरिजन बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, एक दूसरे के सामने देखते हैं कि वो क्या कर रहा है, हम क्या कर रहे हैं, उसकी बच्ची क्या पढ़ाई कर रही है, उसका घर कितना बड़ा है. तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारा वो कंपैरिजन में ज़्यादा टाइम एंड एनर्जी चले जाता है, चाहे वो किसी भी तरह के आदमी है, किसी भी लेवल के आदमी है. कहीं ना कहीं हम बहुत ज़्यादा कंपैरिजन और बहुत ज़्यादा आउटर एक्सटर्नल एनकरेजमेंट मोटिवेशन में फोकस करने वाले एक परिस्थिति में जी रहे हैं. सो यहाँ पे भी आई हैव नोटिस्ड वन थिंग कि अगर आप देखेंगे अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स के सुसाइड रेट्स, you can find that the suicide rates of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is one among the highest. It is much more than the national average. तो इसका रीज़न भी कहीं ना कहीं ये है कि somewhere or the other we are not connected with ourselves. हमारे अंदर जो भी समस्या हो रहा है, so we are not sorting it out. We are looking somewhere outside to seek solutions. So that is one reason wherein somewhere or the other we are not able to guide our generations, maybe guide our students, guide our children, guide our friends, that they are not able to look into themselves to seek solutions. So this is where the relevance of teaching of Swami Vivekananda comes. Swamiji has talked a lot on spirituality, on yoga, meditation. So all these somewhere or the other, say for example, आजकल क्या हो रहा है, सोशल मीडिया में सब कुछ चलते हैं, तो अगर कुछ होता है तो बहुत मतलब सबसे पहले हमें क्या मिले ना मिले दैट इज नेवर अ फोकस. हम इसको पहले ही सोशल मीडिया में ट्वीट करते हैं, हम देखते हैं कि कितने लाइक्स आए हैं. अगर लाइक्स कम आते हैं तो हमें दिक्कत होता है, अगर लाइक्स नहीं आते हैं या फॉर दैट मैटर किसी ने कुछ बुरा कमेंट किया है तो हमारे बच्चों को दिक्कत आते हैं. तो ये कहीं ना कहीं इट इज़ बेसिकली वी आर लुकिंग फॉर एक्सटर्नल वैलिडेशन. सो दैट आई थिंक इज फोकसिंग अवे फ्रॉम आवरसेल्व्स. So the real growth is inner growth, as Swamiji has always told. So this point I think is something which I would like to emphasize. Being from the department, I have seen so many cases जहाँ पे यहाँ पे भी in this islands also there is the issue of alcoholism, drug addiction, very much prevalent among the society, very much prevalent among small children. So as parents, as teachers, as the foundation of the next generation, so I think we have to work on this thing, instill this quality among our children, among the future of tomorrow, कि actual जो growth है या actual जो pleasure है that comes from within, it is not anywhere coming from outside. So when they don't know how to deal with themselves, they go for avenues like maybe drugs, maybe alcohol, which and all is actually looking for some pleasure या some source of happiness या some person who is coming from outside to solve our solutions. But the problems are within, the solutions are also within. So this teaching, I think if we understand and realize it in the right sense and right spirit, I think we can together build a better tomorrow. So I just thought that this is one thing which I would like to share. It is just a thought of mine because I was thinking कि क्या मुझे क्या बोलना है आज यहाँ पे आके. So I thought this is one thing which since the parents are here, since the teachers are here, so Andaman and Nicobar Islands being a very special place जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा connectivity नहीं है, बाहर से लोग बहुत कम आते हैं. So यहाँ पे ये सारे समस्या सॉल्व करने के लिए हम सब एक साथ रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हमारे बच्चों को अच्छी तरह गाइड करना, हमारे साथियों को अच्छी तरह गाइड करना, अगर इनको कोई समस्या है तो उनको अच्छे गाइडेंस देना, वो सब it is basically a common thing, a societal thing that everyone in the society should be responsible about. So this we can look the solutions in the teachings of Swamiji, and I think that is one thing which we all can work together. For that, the entire police department is also with each and every one of you. We are all together committed for a safer and better future of the islands and of the country. Once again, let me give and wish the greetings of the Youth Day to each and every one of you, and let's all work in the right spirit for a better tomorrow. Thank you so much once again for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and let's all enjoy the evening. Thank you.
So the best English speaking class is class 3rd.
Last third.
Class 3rd along with their class teacher Aparna ma'am.
The best English class of this year 2024 and 25 goes to class 3. It is a moment of proud. Place hands first together for class 3. Proud, sir, our teaching faculty of Vidyalaya for giving vote of thanks. Please, sir.
What a wonderful evening. Swami Vivekananda, one of the greatest Karma Yogi India has ever produced. One of the greatest monk of Southeast Asia. One of the greatest person who taught the world what Hinduism is. One of the greatest persons, Swami Vivekananda, who taught universal acceptance and tolerance. And today we all are here to celebrate his birthday. What a wonderful day for all of us. All of you and all of us left all our household works, duties, and we are here to celebrate the great day of the year for our VKBs. So today I am going to thank all of you on behalf of Vivekananda Kendra Jilla Parishad Vidyalaya Basantipur. Namely, firstly I want to thank Sweta ma'am, Superintendent of Police, North and Middle Andaman. Being in a very busy schedule, she accepted our invitation and took much time, and she is here
and spending time with us. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you. Secondly, I want to thank our guest of honor, Jilla Parishad member Shankar Mandalji. Always our family member. He is always tied up with a rope with VKV schools. Thanks a lot, sir, for being here in the evening for a wonderful day. Thank you, sir. The next, I would like to thank all the other guests, dignitaries sitting on the first and second rows. I want to thank the committee members of SMC, PTA, Mothers Committee and Vigilance Committee. Not only for your today's presence, but also for the support and cooperation throughout the year. You have helped us in critical situations, making decisions. On behalf of our school, I am thanking all the members of SMC, PTA, Vigilance and Mothers Committee. I also thank some of the most important people of our school. They are the donors. You know, this year, from August to till day, some of our parents and other people donated rupees, nearly 1 lakh. It may be more than 1 lakh also. The stage where I am standing, you know, where these degrees are sitting, where after some time where our children is going to perform. This stage is the gift for the donor, gift of our donors. They have taken time, they have donated in cash, somebody donated cement, somebody donated bricks, and finally this stage is ready. This stage is all your gift. So on behalf of our family, I thank all those donors of our school. Nextly, I want to thank the Department of Police. Every year, whenever we are organizing or celebrating Swami Vivekananda Jayanti, all these great heroes, the real heroes, police department is always here to support us and protect us from all unfair situations. Thanks a lot, police department. I also want to thank, you know, this is a nighttime program where electricity is very, very important. So with the hope that electricity will support up to the end of this program, on behalf of our school, I am thanking electricity department. Thanks a lot. When there is a cultural program, some of the most important person is DJ. And every year, this year also, our Ratan Bhaiya is here as the DJ for us. Thank you very much, Ratan Bhaiya, for being here and supporting for our cultural activity which is going to happen right after my words. I want to thank all of you sitting in front of me, leaving all your household works at home. You are here to support us and support the children. Thanks a lot, not for this only, but throughout the year, you have supported us, cooperated us very lot. So thanks a lot. The next I want to thank our headmaster sir, who is leading them from the front, not only today, but as in the school report, sir has mentioned many celebrations we had throughout the year. In every celebration, he led from the front. Thanks a lot, sir. I thank all the teachers. Being in a very busy schedule this year, continuous examinations, continuous celebrations, they took very hard work. Even the sports practice was going, even this Swami Vivekananda Jayanti program was going, still they have spent extra time, extra classes and made the students to practice a lot. From the bottom of my heart, I am thanking all my teachers. Along with my teachers, I thank all the Bhaias and Didis for always putting their hands together with the teachers and headmaster in helping all the works. At the end, I want to like the most important people of today's evening. They are our children. As I said, from last many days, the schedule is very busy, but they have learned, they are ready to perform in front of you. Thousands of thanks to all my children, my students of the school. Thanks a lot. I also thank those people are here to support us directly or indirectly. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Swami Vivekananda ki Jai Ho.